Hello and welcome to the City of Wilmington's home repair program. This is our lottery. This is to select from this bin names that have been submitted and properties that have been submitted by you. So if you own a home and meet income qualifications, you may be able to receive up to $10,000 for home repairs. Now, the administration of Mayor Mike Purzycki and Wilmington City Council have set aside $1.7 million to fund this program. The home repairs, by the way, will be awarded in 2 rounds. Now, the first round began December 1st through December 15th, when more than 1,400 of you property owners, called 311 to enter the name, your name, and your property address in today's lottery. So today, what we're going to do is we're going to select 85 numbers. Now, the numbers come from the call that you made to 311. And when you entered your name and your property, you were given a case number. So this is what it looks like. This is the number. This is a sample of the numbers that are in this bin. And we're going to draw from these numbers today. So each of you has a number. So we really don't know names. We don't know addresses, we just know numbers to kind of make this kind of a random selection, which is why we also used the lottery process. Before I do anything further, I'm going to give this number back over to the mayor, and I'll introduce the mayor in just a minute. Yeah, put that back in the bin. I want to make sure that number's back in the bin. Now, should your number be drawn today, you will receive a letter from the Department of Real Estate and Housing here in the city of Wilmington. And I want to thank all of the staff people at Real Estate and Housing for helping to coordinate this program. They're upstairs in this building right now watching this lottery selection, and we want to thank them again for their hard work. The reason why you get a letter is because even though your number may be selected today, we still have to verify that you are income eligible and that you own the property that you've registered in this bin. So once you're verified, the city will then guide you through the process for home repairs and what will happen after that. Now, if your number is not selected today, we will have another round, another lottery coming up in March. So you will be able to register once again. We'll put all the numbers again in a bin, and we'll have another lottery program just like this. Today we're doing 85 numbers, and then in March we'll do 85 numbers because we estimated that about 170 homeowners could be assisted through this program. So with that said, it is now time to draw numbers and get this lottery underway. And we've asked a number of city officials to join us today to draw the numbers, and they include, I'll give you the lineup and then you'll meet them in just a moment. First is Mayor Mike Purzycki. City Council President Trippi Congo will be here with us today. Tina Betts, who is our City Cultural Affairs Director. Yesenia Tavares, who is Director of Communications for Wilmington City Council. Ashley Christopher is here, Special Assistant to the Mayor, but you probably know Ashley because of her outstanding work with the HBCU program. And also joining us today is Tracy Owens, Executive Administrative Assistant for Wilmington City Council. I don't know how Tracy got one more little word in there, Executive Administrative Assistant, but that is what she is, and she's a wonderful person. Anyway, it's time now for Mayor Mike Purzycki. He's with us. Mayor, Ryan Payton. How did I forget Ryan Payton? Ryan is our social media manager here in the city of Wilmington. Ryan is also, what's called Paper Soldier? Yeah, so Ryan, look, we have a lot of talented people who work in the city of Wilmington. Ryan was actually in a movie with Kevin Hart, and it's called Paper Soldiers. So, Google it, look it up, watch it. But Ryan's very famous. But today, Ryan is going to help stir the bin, make sure everything is kosher, as we say. So go ahead, give it a stir, and we're about to select numbers. Okay, all right, now looking good.
Official?
That's official. Now, what the mayor's going to do is, and most of our presenters are going to select multiple numbers. So the mayor's going to start with 15, because remember, we have 85 to select today. Mayor, go ahead with that first number. All righty, here's the first number. Oh, I should tell you that if you're looking at your number at home now, they all begin with 00. So I'm not going to read 00. I'll start with the number 4 on this particular one. So I'll read the number like this: 402917. Okay, that's the first one. 402917. I'm putting, as soon as we have one of our selected numbers, I'm putting it in this sturdy little bin here. All right, next number. And so you're going to have to count how many he selected, okay? All right, here's our next number: 401483. All right. 404102. 402288. And I believe, now let me ask, I believe the staff here at WITN, I believe they're trying to enter these numbers so that we have an official record. So I'm going to slow down just a little bit. All right, so the next one is 402795. All right? Okay. 402062. Mary, you're doing an outstanding job there. Thank you. 403709. Okay. And what number is this, Ryan? Which? We're
on 8 now.
8? Okay, very good. 401610. 401524. 403487. Okay? Well, let me do it again. 403487. Make sure our WITN crew is picking up on that number. All right? 402982. And as soon as those numbers are touched, you know, I have to make note of that.
Oops, look at this.
Okay. All right, that's fine.
Numbers.
Okay. We'll just, let me show that so everybody knows. This was, the mayor pulled one and it was a blank. All right, these had been cut off a total card stock. So we'll do this one. 4020 or 030. Let me do it again. 402030. Okay. Okay. And 402235. 401743.
Last one.
This is it, of the mayors. Okay, the mayor was selecting 15. This is the 15th number. 401519. Okay? Thank you, Mayor.
Hang on.
And what are you doing?
Let's verify my 15.
Okay. Mayor's added another element into the program, but that's all right. He's the mayor. I guess he gets to do that.
11, 12, 13, 15.
All right. All right. Very good. Okay. Nice. All right. Let me ask our council president, Trippi Congo, to come up. And what we're going to do, council president, is we're going to come on up here. Come right up here. What's the matter? Okay. I'm sorry? Are we still on? Huh? You want me to read? Okay. All righty. Folks, I'm being told that is there an explanation for that? Or? Okay. All right. I should note that a little later on today, we are going to issue a news release, a citywide news release, and all of these numbers will be in that release. So you'll have another chance to look at them. We're also going to be placing these numbers online. So there are a variety of ways for you to check. If you didn't pick up when I actually said the number, but we're going to do it again. We're on this particular round, right? Okay. Let's do it again. 401524. All right. 403487. 401519. 402062. 402917. 403709. 402288. 401483. 401610. 404102. 402795. 402235. 402030. And 401743. And then last one here on this batch is 402982. All right, very good. So we do hope that homeowners watching, hope we've selected your number. And now joining us is our City Council President, Trippi Congo. And let's do a stir, Ryan. Let's do a stir. Okay. Now, if you open that drawer, the council president's going to put his hand in here because we have some that are sticking to the side, and there's one right up here. Okay? We want to make sure that these are all at the base. Okay, good. Now, the council president will begin his selection of 15.
All right. Happy holidays, everybody.
All right, first one is 402381. Thank you. 402562. 403355. 401541. 401654. 402433. 401938. 402174. Thank you. 402290. 401965. Okay. All right. Was that it?
5 more.
Or 5 more? Okay, 5 more from the council president.
All right.
402512. And you're doing an outstanding job too. I don't want you to think I was complimenting the other guy and not you.
I was waiting for that.
Okay, all right. All right, 403052. 404305.
2 more.
2 more, okay. 2 more on this particular selection of 15. 403199.
All right.
Okay, this is it.
Last one.
Diggy's digging deep. All righty. All righty. 403288. 262. All right? Council President, thanks.
All right,
We,
thank
we
you.
do appreciate that,
Thank
okay?
you.
Thank you very much. Have a wonderful holiday. Okay, now let's bring up our next guest, Tina Betts. Tina is City Cultural Affairs Director, and as I like to remind people, she is the queen of all that is fun and exciting in the city of Wilmington.
And this is fun and exciting.
It is.
I'm glad to be here.
Yeah, and we're glad to have you here with us, Tina.
Thank you.
All right, Ryan's going to, let's do a spin first.
Now, while he's spinning, I have a question.
Yes,
The ones that aren't selected today, what happens to them?
the ones that are selected today.
Not selected today.
The ones that are not selected today, very good question. So that we can go into the next round in March, sort of with a clean slate, we're going to do away with all these numbers, and that means that come March, we'll open up a new round of registration, and then all of you, even those who registered today and the ones who did not get a chance to register, everyone will have an equal chance to register and go into the next lottery. Okay?
Okay.
Good. Thank you for that question.
And for these numbers moving forward, can we just say the number twice, just so, people can hear?
The number twice?
Yeah.
Okay. You know how much of a strain that is on my voice, but that's okay. That's what I'm paid for. Here we go. All right. All right, here we go. 402681. Do it again. 402681. All right, thank you, Tina. 402708. 402708. 404166. 404166. 403790. 403790. 402969. 402969. 402377. 402377. 401620. 401620. 401869. So 401869. 402001. 402001. Okay. 401931. 401931.
Five more?
5 more from Miss Tina. 402654. That's 402654. Okay. Oops. Okay. Now that's another blank. Okay. That's going to happen when you're cutting them off cardstock. These numbers. 401758. 401758. Oops. Okay. 402624. 402624.
How many?
Two more?
Two?
2 more from Miss Tina. 402225. 402225. Last one for in this round of 15, or in this selection of 15. 403070.
Good luck, everybody. and happy
Okay,
holidays.
thank you. Tina Betts. Thanks, Tina. Joining us now is Yesenia Tavares, who is the Director of Communications for Wilmington City Council. Hello. How are you?
Good, good.
Good to have you with us.
Very exciting.
Go ahead, Ryan. All righty. And I don't see, let's see, yep, okay, everything looks good. None are sticking at the top. It looks like they're all there at the bottom. So Yesenia, go in there for the first of 15.
Oh, there's a few I grabbed. Oh.
Okay. 402 593. 402 593. Okay. 402 077. 402 077. Okay. Thank you. 401 929. 401 929. 403 613. 403 613. 402 722. So 402 722. I like thank you for that suggestion, Ryan, to read it twice. Second one, I'm doing sort of a dramatic reading of them also. 402 542. So 402 542. Thank you.
You're welcome.
402 653. 402 653. Again, we hope we're selecting your number out there and that you are if you're just joining us, we are conducting a lottery to find the homeowners in the city of Wilmington who will receive up to $10,000 for home repairs. It's part of a $1.7 million program, which is supported by the Office of Mayor Mike Purzycki and also our Wilmington City Council members. We're trying to offer assistance as much as we can. We all need a little bit of help, if you will. And we've got things happening around our house, whether it be a roof, whether it be HVAC, whatever it may be. We're glad to be able to help here. So hopefully we're selecting your number. The next one is 404 970. 404 970. Okay. 403 566. 403 566. 404 574. 404 574.
We're at five left?
Okay, 5 left from Yesenia. Okay. 401 790. 401 790. She's digging deep in there. Okay. 402 737. 402 737. 402 302. So 402 302.
2 more left.
Did I grab too many?
Huh? No, it's okay. You can put the others. How many does Yesenia have?
1 more after.
One more after this, okay. Okay, 402 629. I'll do it again. 402 629. And the last one from Yesenia's selection of 15, 402 664. 402 664. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Happy holidays.
Yeah,
Happy New Year.
thanks, Yesenia. Alrighty. Next up, Ashley Christopher. Let's bring Ashley in. If you're a young person out there and you received some scholarship help for your higher education, chances are this person right here may have helped you. And we are so proud of all that Ashley has done. Ashley Christopher heads up the HBCU program here in the city of Wilmington. The numbers are phenomenal. Over the last, how many years? 7 years? 7 years. Amazing. But yeah, and you are to be congratulated, and I know there are a lot of people out here saying thank you for all the work that you put into this. All right. Ashley, you're going to select 15.
Yep.
And so, Ryan, you go right ahead.
All right, Ryan, let's get it.
Okay. Now, Ashley, you're going to do a little work there to pull some of those.
Okay.
Pull some of those up. I see one at the top, too. Okay, so pull them all down. Yep. We want to make sure that if any are sticking on the sides, that they get pushed into the bottom And then that way we have all of them in the same spot. Okay, that's why we're doing it that way.
Right.
Here we go. 401-817. 401-817.
Together.
401-738. 401-738. Okay. 404-633. 404-633. Okay. 401-993. Okay. 401-993. Thank you. 403-120. 403-120. 402-729. Okay, 402-729. 401-504. 401-504. 402-206. 402-206. All right, good. Oops, all righty. 403-033. Do it again. 403-033. Five more from Ashley? Okay. 403-968. 403-968. Okay. Okay, this is, okay, five more after I read this, or no, four more after I read this. 401-547. 401-547. 402-017. 402-017. 403-745. 403-745. 401-675. 401-675. Is this, one more. Okay, Ashley's going to select the last of her 15.
Right, there we go.
Okay, Ashley, I hope you've done well for some people watching out here.
I hope so too.
402-740. One more time, 402-740. Ashley Christopher, HBCU coordinator and manager, thank you so much. Okay, thank you. All right, it's time for Tracy Owens. Come on in here, Tracy Owens from Wilmington City Council, Executive Administrative Assistant. She does so well in her job. We've given her an extra title in there of an Executive Administrative Assistant. Tracy's been around for quite a few years here in the city, and she does great work, and and we thank her for everything she does. I actually work with Tracy. I work in the mayor's office, but I worked with Tracy for a number of years over on city council. So, and we can't tell those stories, Tracy, okay? All righty, now Tracy's gonna select just 10, because remember, we're trying to get up to that number of 85. So the others selected 15, and this should bring us up to 85, I believe. Is that right? We're looking at our judges. Okay, yeah, 10, all right. So I thought I did some deciphering on my own, you know, I tried to figure this out. All right, Trace, go ahead. Oh no, Ryan? Yeah.
Wrote it a little bit more.
Okay, he's giving it an extra turn. There you go. And Tracy, look in there. I see some on the side. If you could just, yeah, get those off the side down there. And there's one up at the top. See it? Okay, cool. All right, we've got them all there. Now Tracy's going to begin selecting 10, and this will do it. This will be our lottery for December. And remember, we're going to do another lottery in March and select another 85 people who registered. Now, of that number, you know, we still have to go through the process of verifying that you're income eligible and that you own your home. So we may end up with maybe less than 85, even though we selected 85 today. maybe someone is not eligible. So what will happen is we'll select more than 85 then in March. But right now we're doing 85 and 85, okay? All right, here we go. 403 357. 403 357. 402 358. 402 358. 404 751. 404 751. Thank you. 404 087. 404 087. Thank you. 402 216. 402 216. Five more. Okay, here we go. Is this like
There's 6.
okay. 402 848. 402 848. All right. 402 965. Again, 402 965. 404 694. 404 694. Okay. 402 084. 402 084. And is this it? Okay, now this will be the last number drawn in our December lottery. So again, good luck to you. And look at this number, it's 403 030. So 403 030. All right, Tracy Owens.
Happy holidays and good luck.
Okay. All right, Trace, thank you very much. Thank you, Ryan, for your wonderful assistance here today. We do appreciate it. And thanks to WITN, the entire team here for hosting the lottery. So good luck. Again, if your number was selected, you will be contacted by our Department of Real Estate and Housing. You'll receive a letter first. Then they will guide, if you are income eligible and if you own your home as you claim, then they'll guide you through the process of getting some home repairs, okay? And we wish you the best of luck. So happy holidays, have a great new year, and we'll see you in March. Thank you.